Hello everybody. In this video, I want to show you how to check a number is divisible by 2 for just 1 second. First, I want to say sorry for my English because I'm not good at English. Okay, now let's see the divisibility rule. If a number has the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then this number is divisible by 2. Now see example. Is this number below divisible by 2? Okay. Now if I have number 230, is 230 divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is 0. Another example. 1482. Is this number divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is number 2. One more number. Now if I have 4, 7, 9, 0 and 4, is this number divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is 4. Another number. If I have number 2, 0, 3, 5 and 6. Okay, the last digit is number 6. Then this number is divisible by 2. Another number. If I have 451, is this number divisible by 2? No, because the last digit is number 1. It's not 0, it's not 2, it's not 4, it's not 6, or it's not 8. It is number 1. Then this number is not divisible by 2. Okay, one more. If I have number 5933, is this number divisible by 2? No, because the last digit is number 3. Now, to express that 230 is divisible by 2 or not, then I will divide 230 by 2. 230 divided by 2. Okay, now 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 1 times 2 is 2. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. And then I put number 3. Then 3 divided by 2, I can put number 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then I put number 0. Number 0. And then I get 10. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, now I get the remainder. Remainder is 0. Then 230 is divided by 2. Okay, now I will divide 451 by 2 to express that 451 is not divided by 2. 451 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then I put number 5. 5 divided by 2, I can put number 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then I put number 1. And I get 11. 11 divided by 2, I can put number 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. And 11 minus 10 is 1. Okay, now the remainders is not 0. The remainder is number 1. This means that 451 is not divided by 2. Okay, so another number, you can divide it by yourself to express that this number is divisible by 2 or not. Now, I will finish this video. Thanks for watching.